Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electro Drive News, where we're always on the pulse of electric vehicle innovation and industry trends. So you've probably heard of ChangAn automobile before, but today they're making a big splash in Europe. That's right, folks. This Chinese giant is expanding its footprint across the continent with not one, not two, but three major brands: CHANG-AN, DEEPAL, and AVATR. Now, these brands aren't just about electric vehicles. They're part of a larger ecosystem ChangAn has built to support sustainability. Themed, Sharing the Future, their European launch event in Germany marked an exciting milestone for the company. And what better way to kick it off than with the introduction of the DEEPAL S07, marking its European debut. The DEEPAL S07 is part of a growing lineup of high-performance electric vehicles that aim to meet the rising demand for such cars across Europe. And it's not just about launching new models. ChangAn has been quietly building a global R&D system spanning 6 countries and 10 locations. We're talking 18,000 R&D personnel from 31 countries and regions supporting this massive network. But what does that mean in practice? Well, for one, ChangAn operates 16 research centers, 17 tech companies, and 180 labs, including national-level facilities. They're solidifying their position in Europe's electric vehicle market with a focus on innovation and sustainability. So, why is ChangAn entering European markets like Norway, Denmark, Germany, the Netherlands, and the UK? The answer lies in their ambitious expansion strategy, which aims to cover all major European markets by 2028. With a sales headquarters in Munich supporting regional growth and an employee base of around 500 people, including engineers and designers from Italy and the UK, ChangAn is well on its way to achieving that goal. Joining us today is Zhu Huarong, chairman of ChangAn Automobile, who shared his vision for the company's future. "It is great to be here in Germany," he said. "ChangAn is an open and collaborative company driven by a clear mission to lead sustainable mobility and benefit human life. And it's clear that ChangAn is serious about its commitment to sustainability. The numbers are staggering, folks. This year, ChangAn aims to achieve 3 million units in global sales, with 1 million of those being electrified vehicles. By 2030, they're targeting 5 million vehicles a year, with 3 million of those being electrified. It's clear that ChangAn is driving innovation for a better future." That's it from today's report on ChangAn Automobile's European expansion. Thanks for tuning in to Electro Drive News.